Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the ultimate battle. iPhone 15 versus iPhone 16. Is the new model worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk design. The iPhone 15 came with a sleek titanium frame, but the iPhone 16 takes it a step further with a slightly slimmer and lighter build. Apple has also made the bezels even thinner, giving you a more immersive display experience. The display on the iPhone 16 is a tad brighter with an improved refresh rate. While the iPhone 15 Pro models had 120Hz promotion, Apple might bring this feature to the standard iPhone 16 models too. Now, let's talk about speed. The iPhone 15 packed the powerful A16 Bionic chip in the base model and a 17 Pro in the Pro versions, but the iPhone 16 is rumored to introduce the A18 chip, which means even better performance and efficiency. If you're into gaming or heavy multitasking, this upgrade might make a difference. Cameras have always been a major focus for Apple. The iPhone 15 Pro introduced a 5x telephoto zoom, but the iPhone 16 might push it even further. Expect improved low-light photography and AI-powered image processing for sharper and more vibrant shots. If you love shooting videos, the iPhone 16 is expected to introduce even better cinematic mode and enhanced stabilization. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 16 is expected to shine. With a more power-efficient chip and optimized battery management, we could see an extra hour or two of screen time. Plus, rumors suggest Apple is working on even faster MagSafe and wired charging. Software plays a big role. The iPhone 15 runs iOS 17, but the iPhone 16 will launch with iOS 18, bringing new AI-powered features, improved widgets, and possibly an upgraded Siri experience. Now, the big question: should you upgrade? If you're using an iPhone 14 or older, the iPhone 16 might be a great jump, but if you already have the iPhone 15, the improvements might not be groundbreaking. It all depends on what matters most to you. What do you think? Will you upgrade to the iPhone 16 or stick with the iPhone 15? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you in the next video.